Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you want to cancel your pre-order right on Nintendo Switch, you can easily cancel that. It's very simple. You need to go to this account, okay, on Nintendo eShop. First of all, you need to go to this Nintendo eShop. On home screen, go to Nintendo eShop, choose your user. You need to provide your user ID and password to enter Nintendo eShop. So here we need to go to this profile sections. So use your Joy-Con controller, and here on this left side you can see the pre-order here. So what I am going to do is, here I am going to select this US pre-order, and if you want to cancel right pre-order, you can cancel it. See, actually my payment is not debited yet. If your payment is debited, definitely you will not be able to get the refund, because while purchasing itself they will be telling you this date we are going to get the payments. I am going to just tap this cancel pre-order. So I am going to give cancel. Successfully cancelled, friends, because I don't have anything on my pre-orders. So it's cool, right? So this is the way you can cancel the pre-order in Nintendo Switch. So definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.